Hey guys, this is Pete over here at Huntsville Steamworks, and I've got a really exciting project I'm ready to get started on. I'm going to paint and customize this Millennium Falcon in honor of May the 4th. First step to any customization, open up the box and start to make a plan. I actually picked up this toy today at the Nerd Rummage Sales 6.0 over at Makers Local here in Huntsville. It was awesome. Everybody gets together and sells their old toys, props, electronics, custom-made artwork, handmade jewelry, all kinds of cool stuff. Not much to sand off, maybe just a little bit right here. But basically today, I'm gonna get this primed. So I tried to take off the two parts and separate the two halves, but this seam kept getting worse and worse, and these clips really confounded me. I could not figure out how to get them open, and I was worried that I wasn't going to be able to get it back together as tight as I would like. So I'll sure up this seam a little bit later and go ahead and just prime it as is. Usually I'd do a little masking. I'd mask off the cockpit, but since it's simply painted black and that's what I would like it to be, there's no transparent glass there, I'll just go ahead and paint that by hand later. And the only other section I would traditionally be worried about would be the back end exhaust, but I'm gonna go ahead and hand paint that as well. So not gonna be an issue. The only thing I wanna do to get started before I start priming it is separate the dish. And nothing too fancy. I got a couple different grits of sandpaper and some steel wool, and there's just a little bit of writing back here that I wanna take off before I prime it. That's that for the hard sanding. The only other thing I want to do is I'm going to hit the entire thing with steel wool. That's going to open it up just a little bit, the little pores on this glossy plastic, and help it accept the primer a little bit better. Not generally too worried. This feels like it's going to accept it pretty well, but this will just help it that little bit extra. And obviously I'm not going to be able to get into all the little cracks and things with this, but all I'm really worried about are these big, heavy, flat surfaces that will be handled a little bit more and get a little bit more wear and tear to them. But if the paint does come off, it's just going to make it look like some natural scratching and anyway, so that's all going to be good. So now that the Falcon is finished being primed, the next step is simply to let it dry overnight. If you're interested in following along in the process, I'll be producing videos all this month and hopefully have it finished for May the 4th. If you're also interested in maybe picking up a Maker Strike Back t-shirt, they'll be available for sale down in the link in the description. And please like and subscribe if you enjoy following the process. May the 4th be with you.